So, the person whom I'm going to invite on the stage would not let you to be quiet, because she has so much energy that probably it would be enough for the whole auditorium to be filled in. And I'm talking about Inga Jablonska, and I would like to say a few words. She created a very unique institution. It's called WOW University, and WOW University is a women university online. And she would tell the purpose, why did she do that, and etc. But, it has fantastic activities. It's developing, growing, and creating a value for thousands of women all around Lithuania. But, she is a person who, if you would ask her how to present her, it's an innovator, entrepreneur, thinker. And she's been nominated among the 100 European social innovators who are making the biggest impact in their countries. So, and at the beginning I said, is it among women? No, completely, altogether. So, and she is really making a very big impact. So we are looking forward to hear, Inga, what are you doing and what kind of impact you are creating? And I'm sure, we would all enjoy listening to you. Please.
Hello to everyone. A little bit sleeping, no, after lunch? Do you have energy? Do you have still energy today? I'm after, yesterday I just come back from Boston, so only 3 hours sleeping, but I will try to be with you with energy today. And, 5.5 years before, I created in Lithuania from a 0 point, I launched an NGO organization. So I'm not from a corporate life, I'm from NGO organization. And this organization was created because I believe that in Lithuania we should support and empowerment women. So it's online, the only one online, not formal university in Lithuania. And 5.5 years before, when I find in myself that I should do this in Lithuania. Everyone, when I going for like financial support or partnership, everyone was saying, Inga, are you crazy enough to believe that someone would like to learn in online? Have networking sessions online, celebrations online. And half a year later, when we started our university story, it was already pandemic, lockdown, and we was 100% prepared to work online, to give studies online. And then a lot of these persons from other university schools just called to me and asking how to do this very quickly, how we can do this. And in this 5 years, we already have 15,000 students in our university. And we just celebrate our 5 years achievement in the autumn. And when Dalia Grybauskaitė, our former president, said, Inga, you and your team are doing so powerful work in Lithuania. It's so needful what we are doing. And we're having every year like 2,000-3,000 people in our university and doing a lot of social missions. Like example, we are working with Future Heroes project, which is about young girls, teenager girls, who are coming from all around Lithuania, from little regions, towns, and they are coming to our university for half year for free, studying leadership, entrepreneurship, and also seeking what problems we have in the world and what solutions we can have, and creating a new social startups. Also, in these 5 years, as a very little team, because we are only 17 members, but we have a lot of volunteers. Like example, now we have 52 volunteers. So we are not very little, we are very little company, but that gives us, feeling that we are very near our community and that we can, being near our community, we can go together with life. And that means, like example, when started this horrible thing, Russian and Ukrainian war. After 2 days from the start, we already organized it in Vilnius near Russian embassy, silent strike. It comes thousands women, and we said we stand together with Ukrainian women. And after this, all our strike photos come around the world and everything. Also, now we are launching with our team a new project. It calls 1,000 women project, and this project is about single mothers in Lithuania. Because in Lithuania, single mothers, it's statistics, 60% of them, then if we live in region, we have very, very bad financial situation. So now we are launching a new project for 1,000 women in Lithuania from autumn, where we want to invite them to give mentorships, soft skills, hard skills, community support, and all this to give for free. So in this 5.5 years, we have created a very big impact in Lithuania around the women. And all of you also can support us, and later in the end, I will show one QR code where you can also support this 1,000 Women project. But after 2 years of launching this organization, I was in my personal inner crisis. Because I feel like alone. I have a lot of responsibility. I have to do everything. I am responsible for everything, and for financial support, for everything. And I was in so inner crisis, but I even thought maybe I should down this organization. I even thought about maybe it's too enough for me already, because it's so much stress, so much this responsibilities on my shoulders. And in this moment, in this period, Virginijus gave me invitation to go to 2 days at this program for training. And when I come to this program, in the first day, it looks so crazy. It's really a shame to say that even in the first day, I was lating in the morning. And you know, I did the lating. And it was shame for me, but I was lating because I woke up in the morning and already a lot of job to do. After in the all breaks, everyone is networking, everyone is drinking slowly coffee, and I answering phone, mails, everything in one time. And in the first day of this training, in the evening, Virginijus just described all to our group. He described about life circles. And when he describes about life circles, I just thought, wow, oh my God, it's the answer what I was seeking. Just we are in childhood, in infancy, in infancy stage. That was because everyone is relaxing, studying, and I'm answering phones and mails, everything. So when I get this message about in which really stage we was 3 years ago, it was come back for me and my self-confidence. I just think, oh my God, nothing wrong is with me. Nothing wrong is with our organization. It's just this stage. And it was the biggest gift that I get from Adiza, first gift. And from that moment, it was motivation to go to next stage. It was a very strong motivation to go to next stage quickly. And the second lesson, what I get from Adiza, it was about complementary team. Because I'm entrepreneur. And who is in the hall also entrepreneur? Please raise your hand. I see, I know you understand me, but we are all thinking that we are most interesting, most powerful persons. We have a lot of brilliant ideas and everything. But only complementary team if you have. It could be long-term success. It could be strong team. And the main thing, when it's complementary team, you are not feeling alone. Because one is why I'm thinking maybe to go from this company was about I feel alone in all responsibilities. And the last thing that I get already from 2 days only training. And the last thing was, you call it CAPI, but I'm thinking that it is about, when every person in your team from the very first steps are integrated. They are integrated. And we not only have responsibilities, but we have very strong inner feeling that we are owners of the things. And do you know what happens next? You do not motivate your team more. Everyone is self-motivated. So for me, this is methodological thing is, it's the best thing that I found from manager field in my life, and I think it's also shaped my organization. And now we are growing And I think it's the best part that it integrates two different things. Two different things. One of these things is humanity, and another one is just result achievement. And it can come together, humanity and result achievement. So I'm so happy and so grateful for Virginijus, for Dr. Adizė, that we have this management system. And also I'm so happy that in this autumn, our university together with Adizė Institute in Lithuania will have first program for all women who can learn Adizė, not only for the business field, but for a personal life. Because I believe that Adizė is about mindset. Adizė is about more conscious people around us. And this is about more qualified life, personal life, not only work life. So thank you, but I have chance today to share my little story about Adizė. And also after 2 weeks, we will have some, what we will have, Virginijus? Feedback. So it was, wow, I was so waiting. And if you want to support our university as NGO organization, and if you want maybe one woman to help single mother to have half a year, very brilliant program with everything, like soft skills, hard skills, mentorship, everything. One woman, it's only 150 euro. Your very good dinner only, yes? So please support us because we change the life of real women. And yesterday I came back from Boston. I visited in Boston, Massachusetts Technology University and meet professors. Also, I was in Harvard meet professors because we are thinking about partnership things. And when I was in this Harvard campus, everywhere was assigned, learn to change the world. Learn to change the world. And I believe in this. It's the main value for me. And also I believe that we not only have to learn to change the world, but also to create opportunities to others. Also learn to change the world. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Inga.